This clip will introduce you to the various actions you can perform on change entries in the Change Manager. The Change Manager lets you perform various actions on change entries to create, delete, edit, and manage them. The first action you can perform is to create a new change. This can be done by either right-clicking into the empty area of the Changes list and selecting the Create New Change command from the context menu, or by clicking the Create New Change button below the Changes list. The New Change dialog appears where you can fill in the ID and name fields, then click the OK button to create the new change. Please note that if you create a new change this way with no elements or change markers selected, no elements will be linked to the new change as shown by the Empty Elements list. When any change is selected in the Changes list, you can delete it. Again, this may be performed in two ways. You can either right-click the change you wish to delete and select the Delete Changes command from the context menu, or with the change entry selected, you can click the Delete Change button below the Changes list. It's also possible to display the details of a change entry in case you wish to view them or edit them. This can be performed in three different ways. You can either double-click any change in the Changes list to open the Change Details dialog. You can right-click any change and select the Change Details command from the context menu. Or with the change selected, you can click the Change Details button below the Changes list. When the Change Details dialog opens, you can view all fields and you can modify the ID or name fields. Another action you may perform is to click the Show or Hide Archived Changes button below the Changes list. This will list changes in the Changes list categorized in two groups, Archived and Active. You'll learn more about archived changes in other feature clips. When this option is enabled, archived changes will be displayed under the Archived header, while all other changes will be displayed under the Active header. When a new change is created, by default it's created under the Active group.